Behind me we have the measurement room. Traditional metrology calls for everything to be fixed in an environment where nothing can move. The idea behind the Creaform C-Track with the MetraSCAN is that we have a completely flexible and versatile environment when it comes to measuring. Prime example of this has been used now in Formula 1 and the automotive and motorsport world. So we're able to bring a car into a measurement environment, we're able to measure the vehicle completely flexible, and we don't have to worry about anything moving in our environment. That could be the likes of temperature, it could be the vehicle moving whilst we're doing the measurement, and this can be quite a unique thing for us as a business and as part of MSL and the Creaform product range. Formula 1's a highly driven, high-paced environment. You want to be able to move the car in and out of a measurement area and do that quickly and efficiently. With the Creaform setup and the C-Track and MetraSCAN we have behind us, we're able to do that.